and welcome. Let's solve the above question. Quick one with this trick. Now, for me to solve this question, I'm going to recall carefully from algebra identity that if I have a square plus b square, this is going to be equals to what? This is going to be equals to a plus b all square minus 2ab. All right. Now, the reason I'm doing this is because everything here will be our a, while everything here will be our b. So it's going to be in form of a square plus what? Plus b square equals to what? 32. So it means we are going to take everything here as a, everything here as b. So we are going to be using this equation, expression here, then we equate it to what? 32. All right. So it means that a plus b now, a is going to be 4s all over what? S plus 3 plus b. B is 4s all over what? S minus 3. Everything to the power of what? 2 minus 2ab. That is 2 multiplied by what? 4s all over what? S plus 3. Then multiply by what? 4s all over what? S minus 3. Everything be equals to what? 32. All right. Now, the next thing we are going to do is we are going to find the LCM of s plus 3 and s minus 3. So the LCM is going to be s plus 3 into s minus 3. All right. So s plus 3 will go with s plus 3. We'll be left with s minus 3. So we are going to have 4s into s minus 3 plus s minus 3 will go with s minus 3. So we are going to have 4s into s plus 3. All right. So everything is going to be all square. So minus. So 4s multiplied by 4s, that is 16. So we are going to have 2 multiplied by 16s squared all over what? All over. If we multiply this by this is nothing but difference of 2 squared. Or before we do that, let's just take it as s plus 3 into s minus 3 equals to what? 32. All right. So now we can clear the bracket here. We are going to have 4s multiplied by 4. That is 4s squared. Multiplied by 3, that is minus 12s. Then plus 4s multiplied by this, that is 4s squared. Then 4s multiplied by 3, that is 12s. All right. So this is supposed to be fs. Okay, so that's correct. So we are going to have all over. This is the difference of 2 squares. So we are just going to multiply this side by this side and this side by this side. So we are going to have s times s, that is s squared. 3 times minus 3, that is minus 9. Everything all square minus. All right. So here we are going to have 2 multiplied by 16s squared all over what? S times s, that is s squared. 3 times minus 3, that is minus 9, equals to what? 32. All right. So now, the next thing that we are going to do is this. Here we have minus 12s plus 12s. We cancel out. So here now we are going to have 4s squared plus 4s squared. That is what? 8s squared. So we are going to have 8s squared here. All over what? All over s squared minus 9. All square. All right. So here we can decide to factor out. We can decide to write 16 in form of 2 multiplied by 8. And if we write it in form of 2 multiplied by 8, so it's going to be 2 times 2, 4. So this is going to be 4 times 8. So this is going to be minus 4 multiplied by 8s squared all over what? All over s squared. Then minus what? 9 equals to what? 32. All right. So we can further rewrite this as 8s squared all over s squared minus 9 all square minus 4 into 8s squared minus s squared minus 9 equals to what? 32. All right. So you can see that we have 8s squared over s squared minus 9 here. 8s squared all over s squared minus 9. So we can replace this with t. So let's take t to be equals to 8s squared all over what? S squared minus 9. All right. So it means here we are going to have this equation to be t squared minus 4t to be equals to what? 32. So if we rearrange now, we are going to have t squared minus 4t minus 32 equals to what? 0. Alright, so we are going to look for the product of two numbers that we can multiply together that is going to give us negative 32, and when we add such number together we are going to have negative 4. The number is nothing but what? Negative 8 and positive 4, that is minus 8 and what? And 4. Alright, so we are going to have this to be t squared minus 8t plus 4t then minus 32 equals to what? 0. So what is common here and here is t. So we are going to have t into t minus 8. What is common here and here is 4. So we are going to have t minus 8 equals to what? 0. Alright. So you can see that t minus 8 is common. We factor it out. So we are going to have t minus 8 into t plus 4 equals to what? 0. Alright. So we can say, so we can say that either t minus 8 equals to 0 or t plus 4 equals to 0 from 0 law. So t minus 8 equals to 0 or t plus 4 equals to what? 0. So we can say t is either 8 or what? Or minus 4. Alright. Now, we already said let t to be equals to what? 8s squared over what? S squared minus 9. So t is equals to 8s squared all over what? All over s squared minus 9. Alright. So when the value of t is 8 now, it means 8 will be equals to what? 8 will be equals to 8s squared all over what? S squared minus 9. So if we cross multiply, I'm going to have 8 into s squared minus 9 to be equals to what? 8s squared. So if you clear the bracket, I'm going to have 8s squared minus 8 multiplied by 9 minus 8 multiplied by 9 to be equals to 8s squared. Alright, so if you look at this now, 8s squared will cancel out 8s squared. So it means that when t is equals to what? 8, this equation does not exist. So we are going to reject such. So we are not going to pick t to be what? 8. We are going to reject this. So this is going to be rejected. Alright. So now we are going to take t to be equals to, when t is equals to negative 4. So when t is equals to negative 4, it shows that negative 4 will be equals to what? 8s squared all over what? All over s squared minus 9. So if we clear the bracket, if we cross multiply now, I'm going to have minus 4 into s squared minus 9 to be equals to what? 8s squared. Alright, so negative 4 multiplied by s squared, we are going to have negative 4s squared plus 4 times 6. 4 times 6, negative 4 multiplied by negative 9, that is 36. We are going to have 36 equals to what? 8s squared. Alright. Alright, so now the next thing is I can bring in 8s squared to this side and take 36 to that other side. So if I do that, I'm going to have this to be 8s squared minus 4s squared to be equals to what? 36. And 8s squared minus 4s squared, that is 4s squared, which is going to be equals to what? 36. Alright, so for me to get the value of my s now, divide both sides by 4. So it shows that s squared will be equals to 36 over 4. So now it means I can square both sides. So the value of my s will be equals to plus or minus the square root of 36 over 4. So s will be equals to plus or minus the square root of 36 is 6. And the square root of 4 is 2. So 6 over 2 is what? 3. So it shows that the value of s is plus or minus 3. So this is the value of s for this equation. So if you would like to verify, you can first start with when s is equals to positive 3. put it in this left hand side. Maybe you are going to get 32. And also do same for -3 too. Put it there, maybe you are going to get 32. I would love to see that in the comment section. Thanks.